Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off the Xiaomi camera watermark on photos you take with your Xiaomi phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Removing the default camera watermark on Xiaomi phones is easy. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down a while and then select Apps. Select System App Settings. Tap Camera Settings. Select Watermark and set the toggle to be switched off. You could also change it to a custom watermark if you want. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.